Welcome! In front of me is a Huawei MatePad 11.5 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Just make sure whatever you want to actually capture is visible right now on your screen. Once that is the case, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Like so. You get this pop-up. It gives you a share option and scroll option. So you can swipe up to share, swipe down to scroll. Now this won't be available, the scrolling option on the home screen, just because there's nothing really to scroll down on, as you can see. But if you have something like a web browser open, in which you can scroll down, then you can capture a long version of the screenshot. Now I believe there's also another way to capture a screenshot with a pencil. So if you swipe from a corner, you have take snippet. Let's see. So it draws a box which you can actually resize. Select save, and then it saves it to gallery. Now gallery is right here, so I'm going to open it up. That's a video, so let's get rid of it. So typically it would be located in the Photos tab, and here you can see these are the two screenshots that I've captured, and we can view them from here, or later on if you want to find them down the line, you can find them under Albums and Screenshots. Now in here you'll find screenshots and screen recordings, as you can see. So here is the cropped one, the one that I captured with a pencil, and here's the normal one with the two button, the power button and volume down. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.